Hi, welcome to CUPRA Woking. I'm Luke, I'm the CUPRA Specialist, and I'm going to take you through some how-to videos on the features of the CUPRA range. In this video, I'll be talking you through the electric tailgate with the virtual pedal function. You can open this one of two ways. Way one, just by pressing the button on the bottom, if you've got a free hand. To shut the boot, all you need to do is press the button like so. The other way to open the boot up, if you've got your hands full, you put your foot under and use the virtual pedal like so. You can also set when the boot stops when it opens. All you need to do that is find the level that you want it to stop at. So if I stop it there, I'll then hold down the button for a couple of seconds. You'll see the indicators flash like that, and then put it down, back up again. There we go. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, feel free to hit the thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified of any future uploads from us. If there's anything else you want to see, feel free to let us know in the comments down below.